friends, it's Meghan Lake, speech language pathologist. I was thinking that we could work on some vocabulary today by practicing our favorite photo library cards. I want you to be able to practice these at home while we're apart so you won't forget. And when we're together, we can practice them again and make sure that you know all of your vocabulary words. Are you ready? I was thinking we would start with our farm animals. So I will say the farm animals, and then there'll be a chance for you to say them, and we can say them together. Are you ready? Cow. 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 The cow says moo. Goat. 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 The goat says mama. Rooster. 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 The rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster. Horse. 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 The horse says neigh, neigh. Pig. 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 The pig says oink, oink. Sheep. 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 The sheep says ba, ba. There's our cow. All right, are you ready to practice with me? I'll show you the picture and you say the word, then we'll say it together. Ready? Cow. Goat. Rooster. Horse. Pig. Sheep. Awesome job! You did it! I'll be back with more vocabulary cards for us to work on together. See you soon!